Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Donnie with Designs by Donnie, and today I'm going to show you a cool technique on how I square my lumber up. Milling 101. You ready? Let's go.
This video is made possible by my sponsor, Mirka USA. Squaring your lumber properly is the most important step to begin any project. You can see these boards are slightly cupped and slightly twisted. As you can see, it teeters back and forth. There's a high and a low corner. I like to take a carpenter's crayon and just scribble on the area that I'm going to have to apply pressure to. That way when I get to the joiner, this will ensure that I'm putting pressure on the proper spot in order to get a flat face. Let's get a close-up shot. See the scribble on the board? That's where I'm going to apply my hand pressure over the scribble marks, not on the opposite side. This way it'll stop the teetering and stop the rocking back and forth. I know what you're thinking right now. Donnie, I don't have a joiner. Well guys, if you don't have a joiner, don't worry. If you do have a planer, I'll show you in a new video coming up soon how you can square lumber up using just a planer and a planer sled. But now just like that, we're going to move from the joiner to the planer. So let's do a little recap. One side of the board was ran through the joiner that's nice and flat and square. The opposing side or opposite side is still rough and uneven. So we're going to run this through the planer, the jointed side face down. So that way the uneven side is up top and the planer is going to trim it off piece by piece until the board is perfectly square on the top and the bottom.
Okay guys, so we got all these boards jointed on one face and planed on the other side of the face. So basically right now we have two sides perfectly flat, perfectly square. Now we have to work on the sides. As you can see here, how rough they are. They're not perfectly square yet. So now we have to go to the sides and get that process done. All right, let's do this.
Alright, so since we have both faces completely square and flat, we're going to run this through the joiner on the side edge. Only one side. Moving on to the last and final step, which is the table saw. We're going to run each plank through the table saw with the jointed side against the fence. This way it will rip the planks on the parallel side, making the boards perfectly square. Let's go. We're all milled up. Let's take a little before shot and after. Looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a couple of cool tips on milling lumber. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on so you'll know when my next video drops. Have a great day, guys. Peace.